Hello and welcome to Someka's Project Plan Excel template. This template lets you track the status of your task and also helps you to analyze the whole project metrics once you list your tasks and also fill out estimated and actual costs into the section. So let's start with the menu. Enter or edit the expense categories in this section. Apply the same logic for phases, priority labels, and also status as well. Start with the task planner. Choose your phase from the drop-down list and also input your data. You can choose the priority from the drop-down list. Once you enter the duration in this section, you will be able to see the end date here. Please do not try to edit the gray cells. They are formulated and this is the reason why they're locked. And lastly, you can check the status from the drop-down list and also input by choosing. Once you complete this section, go to Budget Planner and input your data. Choose the category from the drop-down list and make the description. Once you also complete this section, you will be able to see the total amount on the top of the headers. Once you're done entering your data, now you can see your results. Go to Gantt View to get a quick look of your phases. You can choose a different month to observe or a different year. The colors are representing the status of the projects, whether they're completed, in progress, not started, or not defined. And lastly, on the dashboard, you can see the analysis of your data, the total tasks, completed tasks, your budget spent, the total priority breakdown numbers, the tasks by status, the spend on budget, and also expense distribution graphic on this sheet. Additionally, you can use this report form if you're going to present to a manager or a stakeholder. You can edit this sheet according to your own needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.